Mastering em dashes, a dash of drama for your writing. Hello and welcome, language learners. Today, we're going to explore an important and often misunderstood punctuation mark, the em dash. The em dash is a versatile punctuation mark that can be used to enhance your writing in many ways. One of its key functions is to set off parenthetical information, and that's the focus of our lesson today. Before we dive into its uses, let's understand what an em dash is. An em dash is a punctuation mark that is wider than a hyphen and an en dash. Named for its width, which is about the same as a capital M in traditional typography, the em dash is used to indicate breaks in thought, add emphasis, or set off parenthetical information. Now, let's delve into our main topic, using em dashes to set off parenthetical information. Parenthetical information is additional information or an aside in a sentence that is not essential to the main point. When we use em dashes for this purpose, it adds a dramatic pause and gives emphasis to this additional information. Consider this sentence. I need to buy some fruits, apples, oranges, and bananas for the party tonight. In this sentence, the phrase, apples, oranges, and bananas, is the parenthetical information. It's enclosed within em dashes, giving it special emphasis and setting it apart from the main information. Remember, em dashes can replace commas or parentheses to set off parenthetical information, but the effect will be stronger. Em dashes suggest a more casual, informal tone and are excellent for creating emphasis or indicating interruptions. So, how do we use em dashes in writing? Generally, em dashes are used without spaces on either side, unlike most other punctuation marks. This helps to keep the focus on the parenthetical information and separates it more distinctly from the rest of the sentence. Let's practice with another example. My brother, who is an architect, designed this house. Here, the phrase, who is an architect, provides additional information about my brother. The em dashes help to highlight this information, making it stand out in the sentence. But, use them sparingly. Overuse of em dashes can make a text seem disjointed or can be distracting for the reader. And that wraps up our discussion on using em dashes to set off parenthetical information. The next time you have some additional information to include in your writing, don't forget about the dramatic flair of the em dash. It's a fantastic tool to add some emphasis and drama to your sentences. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and we hope you found it helpful. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember, the more you use these punctuation marks, the more comfortable you'll get with them. Happy writing!